Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to unbox the kurta which I have ordered through Ajio online shopping apps. These two kurta, this one, I have ordered these 2 weeks before and today it got delivered, so I want to unbox in front of you all. This one, this kurta, if you buy from the Reliance store, then it will cost you around 500 rupees each, but there was offer through online, so I brought this for 287 rupees each. So let's unbox and see how is the quality of the product and whether I'm satisfied with the product or not. So let's go and check. So first I'm going to unbox this. Let's see. Okay, I have to tear this. Actually, I also forgot what I have ordered because it's been 2 weeks. So this one, let's see. Wow, nice. This is long kurta. See, this is long kurta. This one, see the printed price, 499. The printed price is 499, but I bought this for 287 rupees only. And this is pure cotton. Before also I have shopped through Ajio apps and I'm really satisfied with the product, so I ordered this for the another time. See, the quality of the product is very good. It's very nice. See whether it will suit me or not. Okay, nice. This one I bought so that I can wear in my office. Okay, good. 10 out of 10. I will give this 10 out of 10. Very nice. First one. And now let's go to the second one. This one. Let's see what is inside. I have ordered 4 products. There is 2 short kurta and 2 long kurta, and this is the long kurta. And let's see what is this. Wow, white color. I love white color. Very nice. I like it. Let's open and see. Wow. I like it. Nice. Very nice. See? I'm very happy. Also long kurta. Nice. And this also, see the price, the printed price is 499 rupees and I bought it for 287 rupees. Wow, I'm very happy. And I'm wearing large size. This one, L size. also I will give 10 out of 10. And this type of cloth, it is very comfortable to wear. It is 100% cotton, very soft and smooth. I love this. So these are the two products which I have ordered. This one and this one. I am very happy. I will give you the link in the description for both this product. If you want to buy it, I would like to recommend you go and buy it, these two. But don't buy in the store. If you buy from the store, then it will cost you 500 rupees. And if you buy through Ajio apps, then you can get it for 287 rupees only. I'm very happy. So thank you for watching, and you also shop for these two items. You will not regret. I'm 100% sure that you will be happy with the product. So thank you for watching. Bye.